today is a Monday. It's April 24. I don't have classes this week except for Friday. Only one class, morals, and I have an exam for that. But for the rest of the week, it's just gonna be pretty chill and exciting pa rin kahit walang pasok. May mga ganaps tayo. But I'll save that for the later part of the vlog. So for today, we're just staying at home. I am gonna be fixing my studio. And yung purpose talaga ng room na yun, of course, is to film content and for my small business. Pero recently, ang gulo niya and hindi ko na siya masyado nagagamit for its purpose. So since I have free time, I decided to fix it up today para maayos na naman siya. Kasi guys, pag umakyat tayo, makikita niyo, ang gulo niya na talaga. And yeah, yun lang naman. It's just gonna be a chill day. Quick shout out to Tapies for sending me the cutest PR package. It even says, "Welcome to Lexy's closet." And then it comes with this like silk bandana which I could use as a top kasi ang laki niya. And the material is super nice and soft. So these are the shades for their nipple tapes. There's milk, soy, oat, and almond. I'm probably oat. I think it's this one. This is probably my shade. So perfect talaga to for summer outfits or yung mga hubadera outfits nyo. So I'll leave the link down below. You guys can order this on Shopee. So ayan. Thank you, Tapies! So this is the current situation of the studio. Pinalabas ko yung ibang mga stocks ng art from my cabinet. And sobrang gulo niya. Ayan, may panglinis pa kasi maglilinis kami here. And I have so much random stuff like this lie detector na I did with my friends before. And then ito yung cart ko where I have all my business stuff. Yan, rubber bands, mga pens, tape, and then mga boxes from PR. Ayan, super gulo guys. More PR packages. And random makeup that I have to get rid of kasi sobrang tagal na neto. These are actually my dad's pero nakalagay siya dyan. So ang gulo niya guys. Sobrang empty niya tingnan. We're gonna be fixing it today. Hopefully, it's gonna look like a studio again. So, let's start! Happy Thursday. It is April 27. So we're here at Pampanga because we booked this villa via Airbnb for my grandma's birthday. So the place is called Coca Cabana and it's super nice. Pero kwento slash muna because this vlog is gonna be pretty like hectic and exciting at the same time. So diba, we just checked in here at Pampanga. And I have to go back to Manila mga before dinner because I'm gonna celebrate my sister's birthday naman in Makati. So, yung mga siblings ko complete. So, syempre, ang pangit naman na wala ko dun sa birthday ng sister ko. So, babalik ako mamaya ng Manila. And then, tomorrow, I have a face-to-face exam for morals. So, I have to go to school. And then, after, babalik ulit ako dito ng Pampanga. Tapos, sa Saturday morning, babalik ulit ako ng Manila for a school event. So, grabe, I have to keep going back and forth from Manila to Pampanga and then Pampanga to Manila. But it's okay. It's gonna be a fun and exciting vlog. And of course, I'm taking you guys along with me. Anyways, I really want to show you guys the villa that we booked because it's so pretty. So, let's start!
You're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly.
Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Bye Shabe. Mwah. Bye. So I'm leaving na guys. I'm heading back to Manila. Because it's an hour-and-a-half ride back. So, since Makati pa yun, alis na ako. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Okay, let's go guys. Noel. Noel, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Reggie, say hi.
Hi.
Yan. Kasama ko sila parehas umuwi, guys. Okay. BRB Pampanga. Hey guys, time check. It is now 8 p.m. So I got home about an hour ago, I think, or an hour and a half ago. And right now, I'm just getting ready because I'm gonna leave now. We're gonna be having dinner with my siblings at Greenbelt. And then after that, we're gonna drink at Mansion. But I won't stay up late because I have an exam nga tomorrow. This is the brush that I super love. It's from Easy Peasy. And I love it so much that I have it here in my dad's house. I have one in my mom's house, and then I have the small one for when I travel. I'll leave the link down below. And then, magli-lipstick lang ako. This one is from Dior. This is 720. Ito yung parang lip balm nila. I use this all the time kasi very natural lang siya. And of course, perfume. I'll be using MFK Baccarat 540. I love this scent. So bango. And it's long lasting, but then it's just super expensive. Kaya I only have the small one, but yeah, we are ready to go. Just gonna fix my bag. So this is the outfit. I'm just wearing this top from Zara, shorts from Cider, bag from Loewe, and then for my sneakers, my golden goose. So that's the outfit. Let's head out for dinner.
Contrasting return on investment in the residual income.
Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. It is a Friday. It's currently 9:40 in the morning. So I'm gonna be leaving now because I have an exam at 10:30 for morals. And I'm currently in my managerial accounting class. Nag-represent lang yung other group. So while I'm on the way to school, I'll be on my online class as well. So mag-multitask tayo. After my exam, I'm heading back to Pampanga. So simple outfit lang. I'll just be bringing my laptop and the same bag as yesterday. Shirt from Bape, jeans from Stradivarius, and then sneakers. So, let's head to school.
Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi, guys. We're done with our exam.
We have one more day and done na.
Yay.
Yeah.
Where's Kyle?
Gone.
Gone.
He left us. He ditched us.
Si Kyle lang din naka-exam. But we're heading home. Ay, no, I'm not heading home. I'm going home and then to Pampanga. Okay, bye-bye.
Hey guys, today is a Saturday. It is April 29. So today's my grandma's birthday. I came from Pampanga. And right now, Len and I are gonna fix my hair. So I quickly did my makeup because today we have a school event. They're gonna be putting pins on our becas. So, ayan. Len, say hi to the vlog. Ayan. So, Len usually helps me out when I curl my hair kasi mas madali. So anyways, I'm gonna get ready na because it is almost 12 and it usually takes me an hour to curl my hair kasi ang kapal ng buhok ko and ang haba. So yeah, that's a quick update. Di na ako masyado nakapag-vlog sa Pampanga because I just spent time with the family and we just enjoyed their villa. Hey guys, update. So I am done curling my hair. And I'm gonna be using this Stronghold hairspray. Ayan. Just got this from Watson's, pero I'll leave the link down below in case you guys are looking for a good hairspray. So my hair is very baksak and sobrang straight niya. If you guys notice. So usually curls don't last long for me talaga. Pero when I use this, it lasts longer than usual. So, ayan. Spray lang ako konti. And very natural lang. This is the only type of curl that I know how to do. And I think it looks nice with my hair kasi nagpa-pop out talaga yung highlights. So, I am ready for my school event, done with my makeup, done with my hair as well. And I just changed outfits. So here's my Becca. Ayan. So this is my top from Lavito. Pants are from Zara, pero ang luwag niya guys. So I'm heading to Gabby's para sabay na kami pumunta ng school. Tapos she'll also help me tahi it para hindi siya mukhang awkward. So yeah, ready for the event. Quick fit check. Okay, see you later.
Hey guys, we're in school. Wow, we're so on a Saturday for the event. So we're heading to LSG. Wow, we're so ayos today. I'm so not sanay.
Because we have to, Bauer.
Yeah, I didn't get to vlog last time, but we had an equatorial rights event where they gave our becas. And we were so not prepared, so nakabawi na kami guys. Pero look at my curls, nawawala na siya. Okay, bye! To video. Guys, we're in the CR. And we came to school for this pin.
But it's pawnable.
I'll show you. We'll go to the pawn shop later and check if it's real gold. A joke lang. But then during the ceremony, we'll put it here down. So, yeah. Today's a Sunday, so the past few days parang puro relax and school stuff, but today it's just gonna be a productive Sunday because I'm gonna be doing stuff for my small business, Art Manila. So no Monday nag-ayos ako ng studio and now I'm like on my productive mode and like work mode. So nandito tayo ngayon because I have to tie-dye some bralettes kasi I have stocks na nasa embroiderer, pero naisipan ko mag-tie-dye pa para pag nag-restock ako madami tayong stocks. And then I'm gonna be packing some packages that I'm gonna send out to some content creators and UGC creators that will film some content for my business. So yeah, that's the agenda today. Let's start working.
It's not over, no, it's only just begun. I used to have a way with words, but now I trip over my tongue, yeah, yeah. Let's get down to the old 7-Eleven. I could use a cigarette and just a little time alone with you.
Time check, you guys. It's now 4:06 in the afternoon and I'm finally done doing everything that I have to do for art. It has been a fun and productive week, so I think that wraps up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Love you!